Today we are in the Nahmakanta unit and we are going to be hiking a trail that's about a mile long, has a little loop at the end, and it goes to some small little falls on a beautiful piece of water. I've heard that it's a beautiful trail, so let's go check it out. So after parking at the nice new parking area, you cross the road and head down the stairs and into the woods. So we're starting to hear the water getting louder and louder. It's roaring.
And I always feel bad about Thea.
So here we have to be pretty careful. The trail travels close to the stream and it just rained recently, so the water's pretty high and rushing. Alright, this body of water was much bigger than I thought it was going to be, looking at it as a little blue line on the map. Absolutely beautiful. So we're just doing a part of that final loop where this parking area is. It's just a piece of the trail, but you can keep going. And it connects over to the trails that go to Sing Sing Pond and Turtle Ridge. Or you can just make it a short little hike like we are. Thanks for joining us, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.